Alright guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to resolve this issue whereby when you like someone's picture on Instagram, it says we restrict certain activity to protect our community. Let us know if you think we made a mistake. So for you to resolve this issue, it's just very simple. Just simply go to your profile by clicking this icon down here. So once you click on that, come to this hamburger icon up here and click on it. Then over here, you go to where you have help. So you just scroll down to where you have help. So you can see the help icon right here. So just tap on it. Then go to where you have report a problem. So just click on report a problem. And over here, they say you should go back and check phone. I've not tried this before, so I can't really say if it works. But the best thing is just for you to disable it by turning it off down here. So once you disable it, then you click on report problem. So over here, you are supposed to report the problem you are experiencing to Instagram team. And trust me, within 24 hours, they are going to resolve it for you. So I just clicked on report problem and they said, would you like to include complete logs? And just click on dot include and continue. So right here, you are supposed to explain the issue you are experiencing. And if possible, you are supposed to attach a screenshot to it. Just simply say, I got a message. I got a message saying, try again later. To protect our community. Then you add, please resolve my problem. Thank you. So can you see this? So just send this message to the Instagram team. Also attach the screenshot of the problem to them so that they can see what you're saying. So I just click on upload. Then right here, I'll add the screenshots to it. So once you've attached the screenshot, just click on send. So click on send and it has been sent to their team, to the Instagram team. In less than 24 hours or at most within 72 hours, this issue will be resolved. Like they will send a mail to you that they have resolved your issue. And the reason why this happens is because probably you like a lot of people's picture within a short period of time, or you followed a lot of people within a short period of time. That is why this often happen. So just be careful of how you do all these activities after they restrict your account so that you don't get restricted again. If you got value from this video, ensure to like my video, ensure to subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment how valuable this video was to you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.